You too, what it do, man? It's your boy Smack Entertainment, and I'm back.
Record label full of smackers, rap group with no rappers. I could get crack, call me daddy, she'll coming baby on your dad. 100K on the medallion, Julian, he don't never tap. Spin it, get it back. I don't like none of you rappers, sniper. How about that? 100 falling out, put it on their back. Project baby with no Similac in the caddy, but I never let my little he gon' handle that. I can get it wet, that little she a net. I can get it kicked out, I can get it snatched. I can do it by myself, I go do it by myself. You wanna do it by yourself? Put it, say I got it more. I ain't the store with a 50 pack. I ain't your with no Jimmy Mac. Don't drop that song, you ain't living that. I got your Cuban, go get it back. Yeah, man. I play the cross like on Chris. Kodak the boss, yeah. KTB, kid, that boy can cut though. Walk in my room, it's a gun show. And I get hard with the gun smoke, high off the melt. Bet all faking your death and faking with me. You say you a step in the step. Record label full of gangster. On the vultures at the table.
Check this out, y'all. Oh my god. Last one, y'all. Oh my goodness. But anyways, man, I'm just chilling, y'all. Cool, and it's been a cool day. Just vibes, you know. Just shaking back, you know. Probably get up 7 a.m., 6 a.m. and get a good workout in. We stepping out after that. We gonna see what the day bring. It's your boy Smack. You watching Smack Entertainment. I'ma be back. Good morning, Smack fam. What's down with it? About to go get that good pump in, man. Y'all boys stay tuned. We gonna do what it do. Don't go nowhere. It's your boy Smack. You watching Smack Entertainment, man. You heard me? Stay tuned. Keep watching. Keep supporting. Keep laughing. All of that good stuff, alright? What's good? Boy, just got that good pump in, good workout in. You would've thought I jumped in the swimming pool with all my clothes on. Man, I'm about to shower up, get cleaned up, straighten up this hotel room, sadly. Gotta check out at 11. What? It's cool though. It's here for what, 4 or 5 days so far? And we still got more content to shoot, so it ain't over yet. It's far from over. I'm gonna clean up, I'm gonna check out, and we're gonna move from that point on. So y'all keep watching, I'm gonna be back, man, I promise. I'm back, man. Everything cleaned up. Got everything straightened up. So I'm about to go ahead on and clock out. And yeah, man, we back on the move. Trying to make sure I ain't forget nothing. You know how that go. I know me. I'll be right back. It's poppin', sir.
Food look good yesterday.
Bro, it was.
Oh my god.
It was crazy. If I lived out here, that'd be one of my go-tos.
For real?
Yeah.
Food.
Yeah. Smack Entertainment, man. We out here, man. We finna go do some more festivities. You heard me? My dog picked me up. We out here at bottom of the map, Texas, man. You heard me? So y'all keep watching, y'all keep subscribing, keep sharing, all of that. Comment.
Load up the Drake, get out making them pay. It's high, just won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Set out here having his way. Way out here having his way. And like the third me go out, take. What? Load up the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high, just won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Set out here.
That's where we at. I get to whoop this man in some more video games. Like I've been doing my entire collegiate career with this guy. Feel me? Hey, Phoenix, went to the arcade. Here, arcade. Everywhere. Yeah.
Now that I'm thinking it through, I just ain't fell in love cause I'm way too awake. And she trapped in a rapper to break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break. Soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written all over they face.
We ready now. Hey, look, let's go. Mario Kart, let's get it, son.
30,000 on somebody's grapes. We done did so many pull-ups on it. No wonder we getting in shape. Too busy backing my words up with actions to ever go front of you. What's up? always see
That's what he did.
myself that I would.
Okay. Rematch me then, son. Rematch me then. Look, okay, it's cool. I let him get that one, y'all. I'm back. I told y'all. Don't play with me, Zoe. Big Ben, don't play with me, son. I told you, bro.
Big 81, but I don't own a Harley. I ride a Mercedes for shame. Hey, it's me and Lil Harley. We wrecking it, then we bout to go link with the game. Hey, and unlike the clock on the wall of your mama house, I do not have time to hang. Please don't reach out to me, think watching too much of Stephen and got to me versus 2 E's. I'm serving them up by the 3s. I'm playing pool and the pool just connects to the beach. I've been too silent to ever have lights on my sneaks.
I told you, Zoe. I do it just like that, Zoe. I told you, Big Vince. Big Vince, I told you, Big Vince.
That's lucky as hell.
I told you, son. I'm a dog. Game over. I was waiting. I had 3 of them. I missed the first 2.
I saw them.
Hey, I missed. Hey, I hit you with the last one. Good game, son. That was a good one. About to go next.
I'm having my way. Set out here having his way. Quay out here having his way. And like the third me go out. What? Hey. Load up the Drake. Making pay. Straight at the trap to the play. We gone. Who say they ain't having their way? Who might have a little more on they play? We having our way in 3 ways. Over your scope on the tray. We having our way. Having my way in the city. Get put out your bridges, you talking to tripping. Go put on my cleats so I'm walking, they slipping. Having my way now, this like a business. Load up the bass, now I feel like I ripped it. She had it her way, now she out of a Bentley. Get out.
All set. You take it, we straight from the bacon. I caught me some cases and beat it in racing. Seen they was taking no communication, no invitation, cut off circulation. Blue of the rebel, got it, this the matrix. Crosses all on my body, watch for Satan. I'm having gallery laughing, no talking, we this one the classic, ain't none of this average. Sniper, I'm sniping the I'm assassin. I piped it, then piped it, just for some action. Don't even be bragging, these look.
I dog my dog, now I need to eat.
That burger look good.
They do, huh? Thanks, though. You'll find out later when you watch the vlog, so. Okay, bro. Yeah, I'll be doing YouTube. Follow me, bro. Hey, look. Come up here. Let them know who you is, dog.
Hi, I'm Louis.
Louis?
Yeah, what's your YouTube?
Smack, S-M-A-C-K, E-N-T. That's the video you want to watch right there.
All right.
He saw the camera, and I let him get on there.
What y'all do?
I do a lot of videography and editing. That's what I went to school for, so
okay.
I'm vlogging with my boy. I just came out here to visit. Nice meeting y'all. Take care. That's what it's about, man. Put a smile on his face. He gonna remember this day, Big Ben. You heard me, son? He gonna remember. Shout out to my dog Louis, man. New subscriber. Oh, it's your boy Smack again, man. I'm just checking in with the Smack fam, man. We back, dog. You heard me? So, what you know about Creative Rex, son? What you know about Creative Rex, bro? This is old school now, son. I like him, though.
I like those colors.
Yeah, wrapping this thing up. And what day is it? Like, day 5? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today is Monday, bro? Not Tuesday. We wrapping this thing up. Y'all seen us. Checked out arcade with my dog. You know what I'm saying? Got some good food. Now it's been a good time. So y'all keep watching, keep supporting, wrapping this thing up. And I'm gonna be back. Cause I always come back. It's your boy Smack.
We gone. Who say they ain't having their way? Who might have a little more on they play? We having our way in 3 ways. Over your scope on the tray. We having our way. Having my way in the city. Get put out your bridges, you talking to tripping. Go put on my cleats so I'm walking, they slipping. Having my way now, this like a business. Load up the bass, now I feel like